Good morning, pupils. Let's start our lesson, Unit 2, Natural Disasters. Today's theme, Tsunami. Learning objectives of our lesson. Use a growing range of vocabulary which is appropriate to topic and genre and which is spelled accurately. Use a variety of prepositional phrases before nouns and adjectives. Use a number of dependent prepositions following nouns and adjectives, and a variety of prepositions following verbs on a wide range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Exercise 1. What do you know about tsunamis? What else would you like to know? Write down 3 questions you would like to ask. Then, listen and read to see if you can answer your questions. Tsunami, a wave of disaster. A tsunami is a large wave that travels at great speed towards land. They are usually caused by an undersea earthquake, but they can also happen after a large undersea landslide and an underwater volcanic eruption. When an undersea earthquake happens, the Earth's tectonic plates move suddenly downwards or upwards. This usually happens on a fault line, and one plate slides below the neighboring plate, causing a large amount of water to be forced upwards. This water forms a wave. Just like when you throw a pebble into a lake, the water ripples outwards. It's the same with a tsunami, but the water doesn't stop moving until it reaches land. As the wave moves towards the land, it increases in speed and strength. Not all tsunamis are giant waves when they hit the shore, though. Many of them come inland as a strong and fast tide. However, the impact of the water often destroys everything in its path. After the initial tsunami hits land, there are often other waves following it that can be just as big, which slowly get smaller over time. The same as the ripples from the pebble mentioned before, but on a much larger scale. Water is a very powerful force and can cause tremendous damage, as well as the loss of life that a tsunami can cause. It can flatten buildings and trees and destroy whole ecosystems. Exercise 2. Read again and match the subheadings A-G to the paragraphs 1-6. There is one extra heading. A. A frequent phenomenon. B. Happening one after the other. C. High tide. D. Deadly power. E. A sudden movement. F. Less by degree. G. Below the surface. Check these words. Speed, undersea landslide, volcanic eruption, tectonic plates, fault line, slide, force, pebble, ripple, outwards, shore, come inland, fast tide, impact, in its path, initial, on a larger scale, tremendous damage, loss of life, flatten, ecosystem. Now exercise 3. Complete the sentences with words, phrases from the Check These Words box. Well done! Phrasal verbs, prepositions. Choose the correct particle. Back away. Move backwards from something, somebody. Back down. Give in, accept defeat. Back up. Make a copy of a file, program, etc. Back somebody up. Give support to somebody. Back out. Decide not to do something. Call somebody back. Return somebody's phone call. Call off. Cancel. Carry on. Continue. Carry out. Do something as planned. A plan, order, threat, etc. Perform or conduct. Repairs, research, tests, etc. Okay, please. Do the task. You should choose the correct particle. Very good. Yes, you are right. Let's continue. Exercise 2. You should choose the correct preposition. The first sentence. Tsunamis travel at on a great speed. 2. Paul lives his life from to the fullest. 3. The mirror's photos are always at in high demand. 4. The tsunami destroyed everything on in its path. The last sentence. The man was begging in for help. Okay, thank you. Exercise 3. Words often confused. Choose the correct word. 1. He tried hard to stay, keep alive. 2. The ground started to shake, jump. 3. The clouds blocked, closed the view. 4. The water raised, rose quickly. 5. The tsunami reached, arrived land fast. Good job. Word formation. Exercise 4. Fill in the sentences with the correct words in the list. Compound adjectives. We form compound adjectives with two words, usually joined by a hyphen. We often use adjective, noun, number plus noun plus ed. For example, red-haired, two-faced. Adjective, adverb, noun plus past participle. For example, short-tempered, well-known. Adjective, adverb, noun plus present participle. For example, long-lasting, time-consuming. So please, do the task. Okay, have you finished? So continue. The last task, exercise 5, collocations. Fill in nuclear, barrier, sea, volcanic, take, struck, environmental, tectonic, emergency, relief. Well done. Very nice. Your home task. Reading task on page 15 in your workbook. Thank you very much. Good luck. Goodbye.